our girl. I really wanna know your ways. I really wanna know your ways. I really wanna know.
Angry bacon man was here the other day. This is the cart that I get every morning and I fill it up and whatnot, you know. Anyways, this is like our little storage thing. So I restock on the coffee just in case it goes low. That's about it with here. And then I changed the milk. But I'll do that on the other side because they use that machine more. So I want that one to have a full jug. Can you still hear me? I don't know. You go all the way around. Does this look cool? I bet it does. You come. It's opened already? Oh my god. The restaurant opened and I'm barely unloading stuff because I'm recording. Anyways, you take the leftover milk and put it on this jug. You already know the gist, you know, saving milk. All right, so since I'm running late, this is dish room. So this is where I come get the cups and the carts. So we're gonna refill the cups right here. Let me try to sit y'all somewhere so y'all can see my gains. Gain time. Okay, so I had to complain because they were putting them way high, and I'm like, I can only reach, you know, and these are like glass cups, so like, I'm not that strong, you know? So I'm supposed to be refilling right now, but since the restaurant opened and there's already people like coming to get food, the cups are low, and like, I just lost track. Anyways, right now I think I'm just gonna fill up the coffee beans because since there's people in the station where I mostly need to go refill, I don't want to vlog them or like have them know that my phone's out, I guess. I literally always drop the coffee beans. Like I always drop them because I have the tippy toe and like, bitch, I can't reach. I'm short. So after I refill the salt and pepper, I'm just gonna go ahead and fill up the half and half. Hey guys, so as you know, it is a new day. Let me try and put you somewhere. Anyways, it's a new day or whatever. People started showing up yesterday, so I couldn't really show y'all like what else I do. Here's a trick. Not that y'all will ever do this, but if it's a busy day, you don't have time to run back, get the coffee grounds, get the measuring cup, get a whatever. So once it's done brewing, go ahead and get the leftovers, throw them away, and just make a new batch. That way, if it does run out and you're already doing something else and you see that it runs out, you just lift this up, you press the button, and voila, you're good. So here's the measuring cup, here's the little baggies, and then the coffee grounds. So 2 bags because one is decaf and one is the regular. You put this in here. The measuring cup already has a Sharpie. Why am I wearing this? Already has a Sharpie line, so it is already measured to where you need to measure. You shake it to get it even. So now that it's refilled, you know, new batch, you just stick it up there, everything should be good. As for the tea, it's the same situation. So once it's finished brewing, you get the used tea bag since it's already finished brewing. You get a new one, place it right there. Here we are back in the dish room. I'm going to show y'all how to do the sanitizer. Why do I keep saying I'm gonna? Okay, well, yeah, I'm gonna show y'all, but I just don't want it to be like a tutorial of how to refill sanitizer. Look, my glove fell, so basically the sanitizer is to sanitize the tables as well as cleaning them. You stick it in there. I already stocked up on cloths yesterday, so that should be good for today. Okay, so sometimes there's people refilling the trays and the silverware for me, but when there isn't, I go ahead and stock up on this and this throughout the day. Let me show y'all how to refill the napkins. Hey guys, I know it's been a while since I came in here and told y'all about my job. A lot of things changed, so now I set up the machine in the dish room and I do the pots and pans until someone comes in because they cut our hours, so that's great. I don't know why I'm talking with my headphones on. My headphones aren't even plugged in, but basically this is the machine. You get this little compartment. Sorry, it's gonna be loud. Make sure it clicks. And then you get this thing, which is where like leftover food would lay down. You get this lever, make sure it's not stuck. So this pre-soak, I eventually bring these down over here and then I apply it. This is where the silverware goes. And then, you know, I'll show you all of that. But for right now, this is going to be next to apply to the machine. Can you see that? Well, basically it goes in there, but it's kind of hard. So these things also get stuck up here, which is kind of hard to see, and I won't really show y'all because I have y'all like in a good spot. You will be able to see these two right here. So yeah. So these two just click right here. What? Wow, I look horrible today. I apologize. I am just so lazy to put on makeup now at work. Basically, I make sure that the sink are locked. That way the water doesn't flow down into the drain because you want the water to rise. Now these lines is where the water should stop. This is where the coffee cups go, so I fill it with water. A lot of the times we don't get to the coffee cups on time to wash them. So they have to be soaked in order for the coffee and all of that to like go away. So I didn't do this on purpose, but I lost track of it and it overflowed. So I'm a mess. I went ahead and brought these plates in. So my job is to get a cart, take it back, load it up with some plates, and then you bring them back over here. That way they can get unloaded, cleaned, and processed to the machine. So I grabbed the cart, this bad boy, and I just start unloading it. You soak the rest. As for the cups, they're placed all the way at the end of the band, so I just like to keep them right here. We use two different types of cups, so you just place them in the correct thing. Once they're full, load them up, move them over there, push them, and then the band will go alone.
break room. The restrooms are that way. Back there's the restaurant, like the back of the restaurant. The dish room's on this other end. Look, that's marking that it needs the coffee grounds to be changed, but we're just gonna pretend that I never saw that. I hope y'all can hear me correctly. I don't want to speak too loud. We're going to the office because I'm already late to clock back in because my lunch ended like 2 minutes ago. Let's go. This is the office. This is the office. That's where we sign in. The radios are right there. That's where we clock in. These are the lockers. That's the schedule. These are all the equipment, but I don't use it because I stay in the restaurant. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I swear to God, I hate Saturdays so much because I'm always in a shitty mood. And literally, my coworkers left me. So that's great. At this point, they can all suck my ass. Not only am I in here backed up, but I am also out there checking to see if the carts are full so I can bring one in, if there's milk, if there's coffee, if there's tea. Like, I'm over it. Right now I'm filling up the cups because they didn't even have cups. So I'm currently editing and I didn't do like a proper outro, so like I'll do it right now. That's kind of like what sums up like my day and my week. I really hope y'all liked this video. If you did, then please give it a big thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe now. And if you want to get notified every time that I upload, then click the bell next to the subscription box to get notified every time that I upload. But yeah, as I always say, I'll see y'all when I see y'all. Bye! It smells so good.